Hello everyone, hope you all guys doing very well. Today I will share you something about Mercedes Benz, all the old models or the new models. So issue with this vehicle, the car runs for a while, then it shut off, then it turn off by itself. So the issue come with the two things, the fuel pump and the crank sensor. So for the fuel pump, what I check the pressure. I start the engine, then I connect the pressure gauge on it. Then I keep started. So I wait to the engine shut off by itself. After the engine turned off by itself, I check the pressure. Pressure is okay. So then, which means the issue is with crank sensor. As you can see, the switch is still turned on, but the engine is shut off. So which means the issue is with the crank sensor. So I will check from the computer and I will confirm is it true the issue with the crank sensor or not. Let's do this now. So now I connect the computer with the vehicle. So all we need to do is just enter to the engine control unit, and we are looking for the code. The code for crank sensor. If there is crank sensor, then it is 100% crank sensor. Just crank sensor need to be replaced. Okay, as you can see, the crank sensor position sensor, crankshaft position sensor P0335. So this is how you done. Just replace the crank sensor and the issue will be solved. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel.